go. And if you play with me, you get your lights knocked out. I ain't even trying to play. Let me stop. That's that other Dee-1. Oh shit, don't let that happen. I rebuke you, Satan. Stop. Hey, before I get out of here tonight, I need y'all to know something. I just put a new album out called Slingshot, David. How many people heard the album? Got the album? Thank you. If you're brand new to this whole movement, this whole mission, vision movement, and lifestyle, make sure you go check the album out. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, so iTunes, Tidal, everywhere. Google Play, everywhere. And we got physical copies out there in the hallway, you heard me. Go holler at my man Harry. We out here on the road. We got the hoodies and t-shirts. I call it 3 steps. Find your slingshot, use your slingshot, and defeat your Goliaths. We got these. We got the Be Real, Be Righteous, Be Relevant hoodies. And of course, we got the signature Mission Vision t-shirts and hoodies. We just out here spreading this movement one city at a time. I am currently on the Slingshot David nationwide tour. 23 days, 21 shows, y'all. Yeah, we're grinding. Yeah, we're really grinding. And I love it. This is my first headliner show in LA. And with your permission, Los Angeles, I would definitely like to announce that we'll be back here in a few months, if that's cool with y'all. And we're gonna grow this thing. There's so many people who I'm looking at in this crowd, and I know their passion. I know their slingshot, because they know their slingshot. So salute to my man Trey Boston, Los Angeles Chargers, you heard me? Salute to my man Irv, but music industry mogul. Salute to Mr. Antonio Tubbs, music industry mogul. Salute to Mr. Corey Webster, Mr. Marcus Randall, moguls, you heard me? Salute to Mr. JD. Boy, you's a man of God. You keep me on my toes, brother. I love you for real. Salute to my man Tyler Dixon, my man Clint Young, my homegirl Alicia, you heard me? My homegirl Janae, my man Darius Geis, boy, I'm so proud of you, brother. Stay focused for real. My man Marlon, bro, it's been an honor to make your acquaintance, brother. I appreciate that, man. Man, my man Tony Ferguson, dog, you know, brother. We see right here eye to eye. Thank you for being in this journey with me, for real, for the past few years, even when it get hard. Miss Nina, thank you. You're so amazing. Thank you. I can't even see that good to see who you came with. But if Dr. Holly is in the building, or Miss Keisha in the building.